Okay, everyone. Sorry for that, but my cat just came and interrupted. So, anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, Deep Forest is up in the lead and wins. So that's 1 point for Team Color. Things are moving up for them. Okay. Anyway, now we're going to do the team run. 3, 2, 1, go! And everybody, amen! Oh. Wow, that was pretty hard to see. I'll redo it. Do it. 3, 2, 1, go! Get in. Deep Forest, clean win. Now this win was supposed to be for the most points, so I guess Team Color wins. Surprisingly. That's how I planned it. This round was gonna be 5 points. But if we have time, I'll redo this. Do some more. That one was 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry if the video cuts off. It might do that. Okay, for this, I can't really do the thing. The thing doesn't really work because I can't put all of them in at the same time. So, gonna have to redo the captains. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, Pearl was in there too. Pearl, what are you doing? Wow. Pearl, you cheated. You literally made Fireball go slower. Wow, Pearl. Wow. But that was not fair, so I'll give them a point too. Okay. Now Pearl and Heatwave. Pearl, you